Tired of broken needles and skip stitches ruining your premium leather? It's heartbreaking when your machine can't handle your ambition. Welcome back! Today, we're unleashing the powerhouses that glide through hide like butter. Check the links below to find your perfect heavy-duty partner and finally bring those rugged designs to life. The number 5 product on our list is reliable Barracuda sewing machine. Most people assume heavy-duty stitching requires a stationary monster bolted to a floor, but this portable titan proves that theory wrong. You have likely felt that sinking frustration when a standard motor groans and dies against a thick hide or stubborn canvas. It ruins the flow of your craft and wastes expensive materials. This powerhouse handles those brutal tasks by offering a massive 8mm clearance, effortlessly gliding through 10 layers of heavy canvas or 8 layers of Sunbrella Plus without a hiccup. Its secret weapon is a built-in speed reducer that provides the raw torque needed for dense projects while maintaining a steady 800 stitches per minute. While a Sailrite Ultrafeed offers similar grit, this machine provides incredible value for mobile creators who need a heavy-duty handle and toothed pulleys for slip-free performance. It is a dream for sailmakers and upholstery enthusiasts who refuse to be tethered to a workshop. The reverse lever makes reinforcing seams feel intuitive and solid. Though it lacks the quiet grace of a computer-controlled model, it replaces silence with pure, unyielding mechanical strength. Reclaim your creative freedom today by mastering the toughest textures with absolute precision. At number 4 is Janome Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. Your typical home machine is likely to stutter the moment you introduce it to a thick belt or a heavy denim hem, but this sleek black edition behaves like an industrial beast in a compact frame. That familiar, crushing anxiety of a needle snapping mid-project becomes a memory once you feel the 860 stitches per minute piercing through stubborn hides. It addresses the common struggle of DIYers who feel limited by plastic gears and weak motors. With 18 essential stitches and a robust metal interior, it conquers dense materials that would paralyze a standard model. The bonus deluxe quilting kit and walking foot provide a smooth path for those moving from garment repair to complex upholstery. While the Singer 4452 offers a slightly higher top speed, this Janome variant provides a superior, more consistent stitch quality that creators crave. It is built for the ambitious maker who needs a reliable workhorse for tough projects without the footprint of a factory unit. Occasionally, the LED light feels a bit dim for dark fabrics, yet the mechanical reliability offers immense peace of mind. Transform your workspace into a professional studio where no material is too intimidating to conquer. The third one on our list is Singer Heavy-Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. Imagine a needle moving so fast it becomes a blur of silver while maintaining enough force to punch through thick hides and rigid canvas without flinching. Many crafters hit a wall when their standard machines jam or skip stitches on dense materials, turning a passionate project into a source of immense frustration. This gray powerhouse eliminates that barrier with a lightning-fast speed of 1,100 stitches per minute and a heavy-duty metal frame that stays planted on your table. It solves the common headache of uneven seams on tough textures by utilizing a stainless steel bed plate for smooth fabric flow. While the Brother ST371HD offers more decorative options, this unit focuses on pure mechanical muscle and piercing power for those working on upholstery or rugged gear. The transparent drop-in bobbin is a small detail that provides massive relief by preventing mid-seam thread outages. It is the ideal choice for high-volume makers who prioritize efficiency and raw strength over delicate embroidery features. Although the motor can be loud at top speeds, the consistent results justify the noise. Elevate your craft by choosing a tool that thrives where others fail. On number 2 is Brother ST371HD Sewing Machine. True versatility means having the grace to stitch silk and the grit to penetrate 6 layers of denim without changing machines mid-project. Most hobbyists live in fear of their motor smoking when they attempt a leather wallet or thick outdoor gear, but this metal-framed warrior thrives in that high-pressure zone. It bridges the gap between delicate crafting and industrial endurance by offering 37 unique stitches alongside a heavy-duty needle set designed for punishment. The common struggle of fighting with thread tension on dense materials disappears thanks to the jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system. While the Singer 4423 focuses purely on speed, this model provides a more balanced experience with a smoother feed dog system that handles varying thicknesses with ease. It is the perfect companion for the home tailor who needs a dependable daily driver that won't retreat from a challenge. The automatic needle threader saves your eyes and your patience during late-night sessions. You might find the plastic exterior misleading, but the internal steel skeleton ensures every stitch remains locked and precise. Stop limiting your imagination and start building projects that are actually built to last. Now, moving to the last one is Singer Heavy-Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. Sticking a needle through a thick leather belt shouldn't feel like a workout, yet most machines treat dense fabrics like an impenetrable wall. You have likely experienced that agonizing moment when a motor hums in pain before finally giving up on a heavy seam. This gray mechanical beast changes the narrative with a motor 60% stronger than standard models, delivering enough piercing force to slice through rugged materials with surgical intent. It solves the exhaustion of slow production by hitting a blistering 1,100 stitches per minute, turning massive tasks into quick victories. While the Janome HD 1000 offers a more traditional feel, this unit provides raw, modern speed for creators who value efficiency above all else. The heavy-duty metal interior frame prevents the skipping and shaking that usually plagues lighter equipment. It is the ultimate tool for the ambitious artisan, crafting custom bags or thick denim gear who needs industrial power without the industrial price tag. Even though the high speed takes a moment to master, the sheer capability provides a massive sense of accomplishment. Own the power to turn your most challenging textures into professional-grade masterpieces today. So guys, this was the video about the best sewing machine for leather. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.